Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GL 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does have an illuminated start on the grille. Also comes with the appearance package with 20-inch wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, a black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, sunroof, 3-zone climate control in the front, middle, and rear seat entertainment, 3rd row seating, GL 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down 3rd row seats, cargo cover, lane tracking package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This GL 450 has 76,529 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.